Hello, what's up everyone? We got an Amazon package again. Today is 27.7 pounds. Let's try to open it. Alright, we have an HCALORY Diesel Air Car Parking Heater. Alright, here you go. Made in China. So it's the toolbox one. Warranty and support. Thanks for purchasing our product. For any advice about the product or want to know other products of HCALORY, you can find the related information from our manual or official store. Your satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. 1. This device may not cause harmful interference. 2. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Email hcalory@hcalory.com. Alright, let's open it. There it is. Alright, came with a user manual, and then there's the box, and then there it is. Ta-da! So many scratches. Looks like it's made of metal. Please note to the following before use. There's 9 of them. All right. Let's turn around. The back is metal also. Oh, there you go. So from the videos that I've seen, they did not use a screw. Now they're using screws. Screw. It's all scratched up. Like this is a return product. Let's go in the bottom. Scratch right there. Rubber, but there's a screw. Hose, there's like a spring. There you go. Whoa. Keys right here. On, off, plus, minus. Wire. I guess that's the pump. It's the heater. There's a plug or outlet. This is the wire going in there. There you go. Let's take a look at what's in here. Oh, nice. I thought it didn't come with this one, but it did. It's so small. Sturdy. I guess that's there. Yep, that's there. This is the exhaust pipe. Muffler. There's 2 screws and 1 bolt and nut. Clamps. There's 2 big clamps and 1, 2, 3, 4 small clamps, and then there's the U clamp, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Let's see, what's this one? Okay, it's the power adapter. AC/DC power adapter, model RT-200FJ. Input 90 to 132 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Output 13 volts, plus minus 0.5 volts, 10 amp. Made in China. Got the HCALORY there, logo. And that's all, folks, for this unboxing of this HCALORY Diesel Heater. And stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, and also please subscribe to my channel. Would really love it. I appreciate if you would do. And then maybe on the next video, we're gonna apply this one. We're gonna open this. We're gonna see what's inside. Oh, metal piece too. There's some metal. And then filter. There's the hole. There. All right. So I guess please subscribe, and see you guys on the next video for this HCALORY metal toolbox diesel heater.